In round 13, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a cycle of 5 single crochets, 1 decrease for 3 times. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. After 1 chain stitch, work 5 single crochets, five single crochets are done. Then work 1 decrease. One set is done. The second set, work 5 single crochets, five single crochets are done. Then work 1 decrease. The second set is done. The third set, work 5 single crochets and 1 decrease. Three sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. In round 14, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a cycle of 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets for 3 times. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set, work 2 single crochets, next work 1 decrease. Then work 2 single crochets, work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. Please finish the rest 2 sets by yourself. Three sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Take out some fiber fill, stuff the body with fiber fill. Please finish this step by yourself. This should be what it looks like when it's done. Put the hook back into the loop and tighten the loop. In round 15, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a cycle of 3 single crochets, 1 decrease for 3 times. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. Put 1 chain stitch first. The first set, work 3 single crochets, then 1 decrease. One set is done. Keep working 2 more sets, with 3 single crochets and 1 decrease as 1 set. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 15 is done. In round 16, start with 1 chain stitch and then work 12 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. After 1 chain stitch, work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 12 single crochets. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. The body is completed.